Hello all. In this video, I'm going to explain how to draw plumber block. Okay, so this is the second part of the video. Okay, so I'm starting to draw the XY line. We have already completed the front view in the part 1 video. This is the second part. Okay, so I'm drawing the XY line by turning on the ortho. So I am drawing the XY line for the side view also. Okay, so I'm zooming out and panning and positioning according to requirement. So I'm just projecting using track option. I'm just taking that length. Okay. And as per the diagram, the thickness which we will show, which we'll see in the top view is 46. So I'm using that and using the track option and completing the rectangle. Okay. And so I'm positioning it. I'm just extending the center line downwards like this. I'm selecting the line and then clicking on the end point and dragging it downwards. That's what I'm doing. So now I need to find out the center line. So I am using CL option. Then selecting these two lines, I will automatically get the center line. Okay. So I need to type CL, then hit enter, then select these two lines. I will get that center line automatically. Okay. Now I need to move this polygon which we created with the circle to the top view. This is basically top view. This we initially used to project. Okay. This you already know if you watch the part 1 video. And so instead of redrawing it, we can just move it about the center point. Okay. So I'm keeping the center point on the center correctly on the center. Okay, like this. Now I can mirror it to the other side instead of positioning it correctly so that it can be both when we are talking. Okay, so there is one more circle which will correspond to the pin. Okay, so that's also I'm drawing. After that, that is of 12 long diameter. So I've drawn that also. Now I can so mirror line I need to get, so I'm just, this is basically my mirror line. I will mirror about this. Okay. So I'll take the mirror option and select the objects, three objects. After that I will hit enter. Then I will select the endpoints to the mirror line. Then erase all subject no, which I will automatically get by hitting enter. Okay. Now I need to draw the circle. Okay. So if you observe in that uh, initial drawing which you can see, so from the center the radius is 54. Okay. And the other parts I need to trim it off. Okay, so I will choose the trim option and select these parts which I don't need. So extra one part will came here. Okay, these parts I don't want. So this much I need to trim. So I got the top view of the top part. Now we need to draw one more circle. Make sure you selected the center radius option or radius 17. Now I need to project. Okay, I'm just drawing a line, then I will trim it off. I'll trim one arc which is coming on the right side, except that I'll trim the other parts. The other parts is a straight line. Okay. Okay, so this completes the arc which has to be drawn. Now I need to draw the slot portion which will come there. Okay, so I can use also polyline option. Here I am not using that. I am just drawing by using line and circle method. Okay, so this is the first portion. So from there, okay. Now I need to draw that rectangular part which will come there. After that, I will draw the circle and remove the other parts. This is 8 mm, then 12, then 8 mm, and will sorry 8 mm, and I will terminate it here. Now I need to draw the two circles and remove the to get that slot. So this full operation you can do using polyline, which I have already explained in one of the lectures and some other method. You can use the diameter which is here and remove these parts. This line also I am deleting. Now I can mirror it to the other side. About the center line, mirror line is the center line. So I will take the mirror option. Here I need to select the object which I need to mirror. So I am selecting it. Okay, then this load parts. After I am comfortable, I will hit enter. Then select this end points of the mirror line. Then erase all subjects. No, you can hit enter. It will enter. Okay. Now I need to draw the side view. For drawing the side view, okay, full side view. I will be explaining. Okay, full side view I will be explaining in one more video. Okay, so this video just drawing the center line of the side view will be included. Okay, now I will take the center line to the side view by selecting the line. Okay, so okay. Okay, so one more part was remaining, which was that thickness which is see for that center piece or center brass piece on top. Okay, so that was remaining. I can mirror it. This line I don't want, I delete. I will use mirror option. First mirror line is vertical line. This already know. Now the second mirror is about the horizontal line. Select these all objects and hit enter. Mirror about the horizontal line endpoints. So this endpoint as well as this endpoint. Then enter. Okay. So this is my topic. So I will extend this actual link slightly downwards. Okay, now I take the center line, bring it over to, I'll extend like this, then press tab option, then 45, then hit enter. Now I'll remove this one. Take this line and I will draw only the center line, rest all things I'll explain in one more video. Okay, and change the properties to center line. Okay, thank you. Okay, we'll see in the next video.